It's been 2 years since the political landscape was rocked when the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.
The Dobbs decision ruling abortion access is up to each individual state. With the presidential election just months away, local organizations are urging voters to make their voices heard.
KETV Newswatch 7's Kaylee Searcy has reaction from advocates.
An early morning call to action in Elmwood Park.
For 50 years, we thought we were safe. For 50 years. We cannot take anything for granted any longer.
Advocates and District 6 Senator Michaela Cavanaugh at the forefront to protect reproductive rights.
It's not an easy choice for families that really want to have that child, and we have taken that away from them in so many ways and made it more dangerous to have a child here in Nebraska.
When the Supreme Court made their landmark decision in 2022, almost a third of the U.S. put near or total abortion bans in place.
This is not necessarily about do you believe in an abortion or not, right? It's about government interference in accessing care and being able to make sure that whatever people choose, that they have the access points that they want.
But Nate Graz with Nebraska Family Alliance says the fall of Roe v. Wade restored the fight for human rights when it comes to abortion access, like here in Nebraska, reducing the ban from 20 weeks down to 12.
This has become a 50-state battle, but the American people should have the right to be able to protect women and children.
An issue he says will shape November's election.
The stakes have never been higher because this will be potentially the first time that the issue of abortion will be directly on the ballot of every voter in our state.
And influence voters' decision on who's in the White House.
We're working to help educate and inform voters across Nebraska about the harms of this pro-abortion initiative and the impact that it would have on women and children in our state.
We need to have President Biden and Vice President Harris re-elected in office to ensure and enshrine our rights to access to reproductive freedom.
Kaylee Searcy, KETV, Newswatch 7.